Today we're going to talk about the most sold vehicles in the USA. The trucks that dominate America's roads, their strengths, their weaknesses, and the truth behind their popularity. First, we'll look at the Ford F-Series and then move on to the Chevrolet Silverado, America's second best-selling truck. Ford F-Series strengths. The Ford F-Series has been America's favorite truck for decades. Known for power, prestige, and innovation, it's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. Strength number 1, engine options. From a fuel-efficient V6 to a turbocharged V8 and even diesel options, the F-Series has something for every driver. Strength number 2, towing and payload. Whether it's a trailer, a boat, or heavy machinery, the F-Series handles it effortlessly. Strength number 3, technology. Modern models come with advanced infotainment, driver assistance, and comfort features. Strength number 4, resale value. F-Series trucks hold their value better than most competitors, making them a smart long-term investment. But no truck is perfect. Weakness number 1, price. High demand and premium features make fully loaded models expensive. Weakness number 2, maintenance. Advanced electronics and complex systems can lead to costly repairs. Weakness number 3, fuel economy. Even with modern engines, larger F-Series trucks consume more fuel than many would prefer. Weakness number 4, electronics issues. Some owners report glitches in infotainment and driver assist systems. Now that we've covered the Ford F-Series, let's move on to America's second best-selling truck, the Chevrolet Silverado. Just like the F-Series, it's powerful, reliable, and has its own strengths and weaknesses. Chevrolet Silverado strengths. The Chevrolet Silverado is known for simplicity, durability, and reliability. Strength number 1, reliability. The Silverado can go the distance with minimal issues, earning trust from workers and families alike. Strength number 2, maintenance cost. With fewer complex electronics, repairs are often cheaper than the F-Series. Strength number 3, powerful engines. From V6 to V8, Silverado engines deliver strong torque for work and towing. Strength number 4, no-nonsense design. Built for function over style, it's a rugged workhorse for tough jobs. However, the Silverado is not without flaws. Weakness number 1, interior quality. Compared to Ford, some interiors feel less refined using basic materials. Weakness number 2, technology. Modern features like advanced driver assist or infotainment systems lag behind the F-Series. Weakness number 3, resale value. While durable, Silverados tend to lose value faster than Ford trucks. Weakness number 4, cabin noise. Engines and road noise can be more noticeable, especially on older models. So, which truck is right for you? Choose Ford if you want advanced features, power, and premium comfort. Choose Chevy if you value reliability, simplicity, and cost-effective maintenance. Both are American icons, both dominate the roads, and both have earned their loyal fans. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Which truck would you take home?